Welcome, Transurfers. I'm Renee Garcia, and this is TransurfingTV, and this is one of the 78 days of practical transurfing. We're getting to the good stuff. Today is the determination to act, which is so crucial to creating your own reality. It's mind-blowing. Everyone wants to do all the other stuff, but then forget about the action part, and it's really 90% of it. It is the golden key if you want to create your own reality. So this one is going to be a big one, everyone. Please follow it to the end. And I got a lot to say on this one. I'm going to try to keep it short, but this one is really, really valuable. And then the next one's going to be the determination to have. So that's the other part of it. I'm not going to get into that one right now, but it's like, okay, so you act, and then you create something, and that something comes back in your direction, but then you don't know how to have, you don't know how to accept. You're never going to actually get what it is that you want then if you can't act to create it and then accept it and have it when it comes to you. So with that, I will start day 23, the determination to act. If you want something, do not waste energy hesitating. Just go and get what is yours, as if you received notification of a parcel delivered in your name. Don't contemplate over things, but use your intention instead. If at any time you need a bus, parking, purchase, a certificate, examination, interview, meeting, whatever, do not think, just go and get it. Quit experiences such as, is it possible? How? How come? Etc. Cast away the anxiety, desire, and hope. Leave only the calm confidence. Feel the state of getting what is yours without any conditions and reflections. For example, I do not think whether I will be able to catch the bus, how long I should wait for it. I just go to the bus station and I know that the bus will be there soon. Let this condition accompany you everywhere. Interpretation. Usually, when a sudden desire appears, your mind starts analyzing it. Will it happen or won't it? Get rid of this harmful habit. Desires don't get fulfilled. Dreams don't come true. Only pure intention gets realized. Realization is reached not through the desire itself, but through the aspiration for the desire. Intention is not diligence, but calm, dedication and determination. If in doubt or fear, the world will reflect like a mirror that condition of yours, and as a result, nothing will come of it. Wherever you do, whatever you do it with confidence. Your chances of success increase many times if there is no hesitation. What do you lose when you give up the doubts? If it happens, fine. If not, it's not a big deal. The coordination of intention will support you in this. If you accept the seemingly negative events as a positive one, then it will happen exactly in that way. When you consciously control your determination to act, you can be sure that you manage your success. So, this is a huge lesson, a huge one, and this is what I teach a lot in my Mo Money course. We can do all the stuff that we see online to do with positive thinking and playing slides and mantras and affirmations and thinking I'm going to be something and thinking I'm going to have something, thinking I'm going to do something. But this is not what actually creates reality. Reality is created. Things are created. Money is created. Opportunities are created. Jobs are created. Advancements in this world are created via energy. And that energy has to come from someplace. Thought energy is awesome, and it does count for something, absolutely. But real energy, like energy that is going to influence and affect those future frames, are going to come to you via action. There is really no way around it. You have to act. And I know a lot of people that are in the reality creation world talk about manifesting without having to act. And I'm not trying to throw shade or anything, whatever. If it works for them, I don't know how they're doing it, and I don't know that their results are true. Personally, I think it's bullshit, because for me, how I create my own reality, how I actively create my own reality, getting the stuff that I want, is via my determination to act and my ability to act and my ability to put energy into something that produces results. So if you want something, don't sit around and wait for it unless you are okay with that. But if you're not okay with it, right, or you're not okay with what you have or what you don't have, then the simple solution here is that you act. But you don't act with doubt. You don't act with fear. You don't act with questions. Will this work or will it not work? You don't act from that place. You start, and then you forget about how it's going to happen and when it's going to happen. And you focus on why, what is going to happen exactly, and why it's going to happen. And why it's going to happen is easy, because you want it. You set the intention to do it, to get it, and you are going to fuel that intention with your thought quality and your action. So this is it. This is it. This is where the rubber meets the road. If you are not ready, willing, and able to act in this moment towards your desired goal or your intention, you're not going to get it. It's not going to come, and it will always be a distant hope that never quite makes it to you. But you can get up and go and walk your little butt to your intention if you really want it. If you really want it. So this is the determination to act. So the next one, determination to have. Wow, these are getting super, super good. So I hope you like this, and let me know your thoughts, everyone. Bye.